In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo email account. Specifically, I'll show you how to remove an additional or recovery email address linked to your Yahoo account. This is the email Yahoo can use for verification and account recovery. Before you proceed, make sure you still have at least one reliable recovery option, such as another email or a phone number, so you don't get locked out later. Also note, Satsam. This process removes a linked email address. It does not close your Yahoo account or delete your inbox. Start by opening the Yahoo homepage in your browser. Look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. If you see the sign in prompt, click Sign In again to continue. On the login page, choose your existing Yahoo account if it's listed, or type your Yahoo email and enter your password. Complete any verification step Yahoo may request, like a code sent to your device. Once you're signed in, go back to the Yahoo homepage and click your profile icon in the upper right. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. This opens your account info dashboard where you can control security and recovery settings. In the left menu, select Security. This page contains your sign-in and verification details. Scroll down until you reach the section that lists your recovery methods. Locate the area that shows additional emails. Click that to view all the extra email addresses associated with your account. Find the email address you want to remove. You'll see a trash can icon next to it. Click the trash can to start the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you really want to remove it. Click Delete to continue. Yahoo may present an additional confirmation labeled Remove Email Address. Choose that to finalize the change. After you confirm, the email should disappear from your list of additional emails. If it's still visible, refresh the page and check again. If Yahoo asks you to verify your identity one more time before removing it, follow the prompts. A few quick tips to keep you safe. Always confirm you have another recovery method active before deleting one, especially if that address is your primary way to reset your password. If you use two-step verification, double check that you can still receive codes through your remaining methods. Finally, interfaces can vary slightly by region and device, so the labels may look a bit different, but the path, profile, manage your account, security, additional emails remains the same. And that's it. You've successfully removed an additional email